Hello, this is Corumm coming to the quick old video. Genshin Impact, we're on Europe doing our favorite dungeon, Rainbow. Trying to get some artifacts here for Natland characters. Hopefully we get some of those new ones. Auroron and Chaska. Hopefully we get something good. That's got potential. What was this again? That was HP. I swear I thought it was a 4-statter, but nope, that's pure junk. Pure junk. Keep on trucking, baby. Yeah, Chaska looks good. She's coming up soon. How many more days till we get her? A couple more days, man. One more week. 5.2 will be here. Can't wait. Everything looks fun. The new zone looks cool. Dragon. New boss. Everything looks like it's going to be fun as hell. That's all that matters. Getting a little boring. Let's see, this is Europe. This is my free account, man, and I swear, did we get the Taste the Rainbow here? Yeah, we unlocked Taste the Rainbow. The Pursuit, I think I got 100% on the thing. Did it just go away? Oh, I guess this is the Destined to Burn. Is that the one that gives you the how much exploration? Oh, I got to do these two, get my 40 primos out of here. Sometimes it's okay to do these other three. I might have to do that. I forgot. I'm low on cash and on this server, so I might have to do all three or all of them. Get that extra little Mora, man. I had to do some leyline runs, man, just so I could get my character to 90. Ugh. I screwed up and leveled a bunch of. Ooh, that's pretty. Oh no, horrible set. Sorry about that. Getting over some strep throat. Don't really want crit rate on this circlet because you're already getting the 40% crit. But I guess it's good if you don't get good crit rate on your other items. But not something we really care about. Hopefully Chaska is she going to be on the... She sounds like she's more or less going to be the blue set. She's going Obsidian Codex more than the hero. The hero set seems to be good for not Dendro, Geo characters, so I don't know. We'll see. But it seems all the Geo characters are getting it. This is going bad. Real bad. We're gonna just shotgun blast this fool to death. Oh, we didn't. Alright. There we go. Pop, 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 pop. Popping and locking over here. Hopefully we get this done soon. Looks like there's a new event coming. We're going to be getting a new one-handed weapon. It looks like it's a really good one-handed weapon too, so that's kind of nice. No good love. No love out of this set so far. Jeepers. Alright. Come on, baby. Alright. 1, 2, 3. Alright. Whew. I was leaning back on that one. That was weird. You ever do that? Like you're physically react to stuff that's happening in the game? It's kind of creepy. Weird. Can't wait till VR headsets and we start getting into this and start getting some real reactions. Although it's probably just going to be pure porn. Probably. Just saying. Hopefully, you know. Clean up on aisle 3 though. That's going to be weird. Oh, dang it. There we go. Shoot. Bouncy. Alright, there we go. You're out of here, mister. Yeah, so Auroron looks cool. He's going to be an electro user. I wonder if he's going to be a buffer though. Like, is he going to take the hero set and then Chaska's going to take a I can't wait to find out which set. Oh, geez, we're already done. No love here. Alright, we're going to check. Armualani. Did we get anything better than what we already got, baby? Already got. Well, we got a lot of pieces here. Boom. No love. You're gonna take you away. These are the ones they love to give you with the defense in here. The one stat you do not want for the Obsidian Codex is defense. And they're gonna give you that a lot. A lot. Okay, at least they failed to deliver. Failed. Ooh, we didn't even get one feather. Interesting. Did we get anything good here? No. Nope. Anything good here? No. Alright. Anything good? We got that crit rate. We'll try it out. Let's see if it gets that crit damage. No, it didn't. It's still at the +5, right? Yep, there we go. Anything good here? Let's go through these HP crowns. Is this one HP? Nope. That would have been pretty good if it was. Do I already have a crit rate crown here? They went all into HP. Let's try this one. Let's see. We will enhance you with the old crown then. Nope, no love. Alright. Defense crown, crit rate crown here. We will try this one. Crown. The ring of fire. The ring of fire. No. That crown did not go the way we wanted. We're not looking for an HP crown. Okay, we're going to enhance you. Kind of sucks. It has HP, defense, elemental mastery. 2 skills you do not want on a Geo character. Alright, looks like it didn't hit it anyway. Anything else we got in here? Nope. See, like this one's got defense. Well, we'll try that, I guess. Hit me, baby, one more time. Nope. What do we got now? Well, that one's pretty horrible, but it's serviceable. Nothing else. Did we get anything on... Who's our air girl right here? Any of these land? 4 statter. Do I have good? No. So that one... Alright. And defense, jeez. HP. Attack. Elemental mastery. An elemental mastery one? What's this one? HP already, huh? Damn. Alright, we'll try this attack one. We'll throw this goblet in here. Nope, no love. So we already have that's elemental mastery. That one horrible. What's this HP one? Huh. What's this HP one? That one okay. How'd this one do? That one okay too. Wait, did we get one with elemental mastery? Oh, it just had potential? Alright, I'll throw it in there. Show me what you got. You don't got shit. So this is the only one I had. So it was a defense and an HP one. That one's horrible. Oh well. Okay. Definitely don't want to roll for that set right now. I'm not feeling it. Although I do feel maybe Chumbawamba that's coming up. Chaska, is she gonna need? I got a lot of characters with this set, but I feel like this set is just missing some pieces. I'll just go do let's go do a quick lotto. Fuck it. It's gonna take a little longer than we thought. If we don't get anything good, we'll just end it. Lotto time. We can do it. We can dance if we want to. We can bring your friend behind. If they don't dance and if they don't artifact, then they're no friends of mine. Artifact if we want to. You know what? If I'm going to do it, I'm going to do it with the Viridescent Venerer. If they're going to hit me with the goods, baby. What do I got here? 34. Are you a 4-statter? What are you? Oh, wow. That's pretty good. Jeepers. Creepers. These artifacts, man. What am I gonna do, bro? Okay, this one. No, I'm not using you. Sorry. I'm not using you either. I don't even care. One more. Don't care. Alright, there we go. Venerer. Oh my god. We're going to go from right to left then. Check these flowers out. Horrible. Horrible. I'm not even going to roll that. Horrible. Potential. Lots of potentials. No potential. Oh. Oh. Ah, I don't even care about the flowers, man. Alright, thank you for watching. We'll be back after these messages. Hit that like and subscribe, and remember to keep on bouncing. Boing, boing. Ooh, so nice.